Welcome to a quick look at growing carrots from seed to sprout. It all begins with these tiny seeds, carefully planted in well-prepared soil. Patience is key. In just about 10 to 14 days, you'll see the first signs of life. Those little green sprouts are the beginning of healthy, vibrant carrot plants. The sprouts will grow into strong roots that will eventually become the carrots. It's important to keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. Carrot roots need consistent moisture for healthy growth. From seed to sprout, this is just the start of the journey. Stick around to see how these carrots grow even further. Subscribe for more gardening tips and updates on this carrot growing journey. Thanks for watching.